Morning dear students, and welcome back in our video lecture with the same topic, carbon and its compounds. So students, in my previous video lecture we have studied about carbon. So what is carbon? Carbon is non-metal and its atomic number is 6, its atomic mass number is 12, and it is found in free state as well as in combined state. Also carbon has friendly nature, that's why it can easily form compound with other elements. So two unique properties of carbon are catenation and tetravalency. So what is tetravalency? Carbon has atomic number 6, that's why its electronic configuration is 2,4. So it requires 4 electrons to become stable, and it will just share that electrons with other elements and it will become stable. So as its valency is 4, it has property of tetravalency. One more property is there which is called catenation. Carbon can form carbon-carbon chain, means it can form bond with other carbon atom and it can form long chain of polymer, and that property of forming long chain of carbon-carbon atom, it is called catenation. So these are the two unique properties of carbon. Also we have studied about allotropes. So what is meant by allotropes? Some elements found in different means because of their different structural arrangement, we can see that elements means they can exist in more than one structural form in same physical state, that is called allotropy. So what are the allotropic forms of carbon? Crystalline form and non-crystalline form. Examples of crystalline form are diamond, graphite, then also fullerene is there. Then non-crystalline or amorphous form of carbon is coal, wood charcoal, coke, gas carbon, then animal charcoal, lambic black or soot also. So today we are going to study about crystalline form of carbon. So first crystalline form of carbon is diamond. So what is diamond? So you can see in the diagram which type of arrangement is there in diamond. So the exceptional hardness of this diamond is the hardest substance. So why this is hardest substance? Because of its structure. So what is the structure of diamond? You can see in the diagram. In this, each carbon atom is bonded strongly to 4 neighboring atoms which are held about it at the corners of regular tetrahedron. So you can see in the diagram how this diamond form tetrahedron, how each carbon is just bonded to neighboring 4 carbon atoms. Since CC bonds are very strong and uniform, what is CC bond? Means bond between carbon-carbon atom, it is very strong and uniform, and that's why this crystal is extremely hard. So structure of diamond is it is just tetrahedron, and one carbon atom is just attached to, it is just bonded to neighboring 4 carbon atoms, it will form tetrahedron, and the bond between carbon-carbon atom is very strong. That's why this crystalline form of carbon, diamond, is the hardest substance. So these diamonds are found in many parts of the world such as Brazil, South Africa, Australia, and also United States of America. In India also this diamond is found. Then the ancient means some famous diamonds in the world are Kohinoor, the Pitt, and the Ho. So these are the names of famous diamonds. Again I repeat, which are the famous diamonds in the world? The Kohinoor, the Pitt, and the Ho. So the Kohinoor was the biggest natural diamond from the mines, which originally weighed 180 carats. So what is mean by 180 carats? 1 carat is equal to 0.2 grams. So if this, we can do the calculation. So this is its weight is about 180 carat. So black, and one more type of diamond is there, that is a black diamond or carbonado. Carbonado are of no value as gem, means this black diamond is not famous for, means we cannot use this diamond in jewelry, or we cannot use, it has no value as gems, but it is used for cutting glass and in polishing other diamonds. So the density of diamond is 3.5 gram per cm cube. As the density is too high, it can sink into the water. In diamond, the atoms of 3-dimensional rigid structure that extend throughout a crystal and makes diamond the hardest naturally occurring substance. So this is about diamond. Then also we can prepare this diamond artificially. So how to prepare this diamond artificially? For this purpose, pure sugar charcoal is mixed with iron and heated to temperature 3500 degrees Celsius in an electric furnace. The crucible is allowed to cool. As the molten mass cools, carbon is compressed into small diamonds. By dissolving iron in dilute hydrochloric acid, the diamonds are separated. So the largest producer of diamond in the world is South Africa. Remember this thing also. However, the diamonds found in the mines are in raw form. They are cut and polished to make them produce their sparkle and brilliance. There are many places in our country such as Surat and Jaipur where raw diamonds are just cut and polished. Diamond cutting and polishing is very flourishing industry in our country. So diamond can also be prepared artificially. Diamonds need to cut to shape and polish before they can use as gem. So what are the properties of diamond? Diamond is the purest and the most dense form of carbon. It is hardest substance. It is clear, translucent, and it has its own brilliance. It has its own luster. In spite of being the hardest substance, a diamond fractures easily. It can be neatly broken along a number of different planes to form crystals with many faces. A beam of light falling on it strongly splits into lively rainbow. Why? Because when you in 10th standard you will study about reflection, refractions, rainbow formation. So what will happen when light just fall onto this diamond, then that light will just split up into its component colors, 7 different colors. It is crystalline substance. It is a bad conductor of electricity. The diamond structures are brittle. Diamond like graphite also forms only carbon dioxide gas on heating it to redness. Okay. So on heating what will happen? Carbon and oxygen reacts with each other and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Then diamond sublimes at about 3500 degrees Celsius and presence of impurities impart color to diamond. Okay. Then what are the uses of diamond? So diamond is used as gem in jewelry and also it is used for cutting, grinding and drilling. Black diamonds are used for cutting glass and tools and drilling rocks. Also diamond is used in dyes for making tungsten wires which are used as filament in electric lamps. So this is about diamond. So again I revise, what is diamond? Diamond is the crystalline form of carbon and it has shine. What is the structure of diamond? In diamond, one carbon atom is just attached to neighboring 4 carbon atom to form tetrahedron structure, and that's why it is that carbon-carbon bond is very strong. That's why diamond is the hardest substance. What are the names of famous diamonds in the world? The Kohinoor, the Peet, and the Ho. Then we can prepare this diamond also artificially. The largest producer of diamond in the world is South Africa. Then what are the properties of diamond? Diamond is the hardest substance. It is clear, translucent. It has its own luster. Also when beam of light fall on it, that light rays split up into 7 different colors. It is bad conductor of electricity. So when you heat that diamond, then what will happen? Carbon dioxide gas is liberated. So this is about diamond. What are the uses of diamond? Diamond is used as gem in jewelry. It is also used for cutting, grinding and drilling. Black diamonds are used for cutting glass and tools and drilling rocks. Also it is used in dyes for making tungsten wires which are used as filament in electric lamp. I hope you got all points related to diamond, its properties, its structure and its uses. So if you have any doubt in this point, you can ask me. Thank you.